Number 1. 1983 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $2,999, Silverton, Oregon. This 1983 Chevrolet S10 is an interesting early compact pickup with a rare factory General Motors crate 2.8-liter V6 engine recently installed, making it mechanically appealing for its price. The manual transmission, clean title, and California paperwork add value for collectors or builders. Its long 117.9-inch wheelbase makes it especially desirable for classic Chevrolet frame swap projects. While the exterior shows dents and original paint wear, the truck offers power steering, air conditioning, a 7-foot bed, and good tires, positioning it as a solid budget-friendly classic project truck. Number 2. 1984 Chevrolet C10 Longbed, $3,000, Springfield, Missouri. This 1984 Chevrolet C10 square body represents an affordable entry into classic full-size pickups. Featuring a rear-wheel drive V8, automatic transmission, and a rebuilt transmission with low miles, it remains mechanically usable despite cosmetic and rust issues. The Texas history explains the generally manageable rust underneath, though cab corners and panels need attention. With sound drivability and strong aftermarket support, this C10 is best suited for restoration or customization rather than daily use. Number 3. 1988 Ford F250 with snowplow, $6,250, Kalispell, Montana. This 1988 Ford F250 is a rugged heavy-duty pickup clearly built for winter utility. It runs, drives, and operates the snowplow effectively, making it a functional work truck rather than a collector showpiece. Known late 80s Ford quirks such as ignition pushrod failure and electrical issues are present, but the drivetrain remains reliable. With original mileage reportedly just over 100,000 and a clean title, it is an honest, mechanically strong classic, suited for rural or winter duty use. Number 4. 1989 Toyota pickup Xtra cab, $8,500, Burbank, California. This 1989 Toyota pickup Xtra cab is a highly desirable late 80s compact truck powered by the legendary 22R 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission. Known for exceptional durability, this example stands out with original mileage, cold air conditioning, new tires, and a clean interior. Minor dashboard sun cracking is typical for California trucks of this era. Overall, this is a clean, well-preserved classic Toyota that remains increasingly collectible. Number 5. 1981 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $12,500, Los Angeles, California. This 1981 Chevrolet C10 Silverado offers exceptional mechanical restoration value, with nearly every major component recently replaced. The suspension, cooling system, braking system, air conditioning, and steering have all been renewed, making it a reliable turnkey classic. The interior has been fully redone, and the truck drives smoothly even under load. While it still needs exterior paint, its originality and mechanical freshness make it an excellent driver-quality square body pickup. Number 6. 1985 International S1700 dump truck, $13,000, Napa County, California. This 1985 International S1700 is a medium-duty commercial classic, equipped with a diesel engine, manual transmission, and a 7-yard dump bed. Designed for durability rather than comfort, it runs well and remains functional for hauling or vocational use. With a clean title and straightforward mechanical layout, this truck appeals to buyers seeking a classic workhorse rather than a collector vehicle. Number 7. 1965 Ford F150 short bed, $12,500, Reno, Nevada. This 1965 Ford F150 short bed is a desirable classic pickup featuring the robust inline 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. Significant mechanical upgrades have been completed, including rebuilt brakes with front disc conversion, rebuilt transmission, refreshed rear axle, and upgraded intake and exhaust components. While the interior and doors need attention, the solid mechanical foundation and receipts make it a strong restoration candidate. Number 8. 1956 Ford F150 big window, $18,000, Amarillo, Texas. This 1956 Ford F150 big window is a highly collectible classic pickup with its iconic rear window design. It features a later model 302 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, upgraded brakes, power steering, and numerous new components. The truck remains a partially completed project, still requiring exhaust installation, but offers an excellent base with extensive parts included. Its classic styling and mechanical upgrades make it appealing for vintage truck enthusiasts. Number 9. 1967 Chevrolet short bed pickup, $20,000, Tangent, Oregon. This 1967 Chevrolet short bed pickup is a desirable mid-60s classic featuring a small block V8 engine and automatic transmission. Finished in blue and equipped with a clean title, it runs and drives well. Short bed Chevrolet pickups from this era are increasingly collectible due to their clean body lines and versatility. This example is well suited for cruising, light restoration, or customization. Number 10. $1976 Ford F250 4-speed, $16,800, Dallas, Oregon. This 1976 Ford F250 is a one-owner classic pickup powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. With documented ownership history, new tires, rebuilt carburetor, fresh braking components, and proper maintenance, it remains mechanically strong. These heavy-duty Ford trucks are valued for their torque, durability, and straightforward mechanical design, making this a dependable classic driver. Number 11. 1985 GMC High Sierra 1500 short bed 4-wheel drive, $18,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1985 GMC High Sierra short bed is a rust-free Arizona survivor, featuring 4-wheel drive and a V8 engine. It has received numerous upgrades, including new tires, brakes, interior components, seals, and mechanical parts. The truck remains a reliable daily driver with functional lighting, signals, and 4-wheel drive system. Square body, General Motors trucks like this are highly sought after for their timeless design and strong aftermarket support. Number 12, 1982 GMC pickup, $20,000 McKinney, Texas. This 1982 GMC pickup presents as a clean, refreshed square body with new paint, interior components, glass, rubber seals, and mechanical parts. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, it offers a solid balance between classic style and modern drivability. These early 80s GMC trucks are increasingly collectible due to their durability and iconic design. Number 13, 1981 Chevrolet short bed square body, $22,500. Fountain Hills, Arizona. This 1981 Chevrolet short bed square body is a rust-free Arizona truck featuring its original yellow paint with attractive patina. Equipped with a V8 engine, automatic transmission, cold air conditioning, and a new interior, it blends classic character with comfort. Lowered suspension and 20-inch wheels give it a modern custom appearance while retaining its original charm. This is a standout example of a well-preserved square-body Chevrolet. Number 14, 1985 Toyota SR5 Xtra Cab 4-wheel drive, $21,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1985 Toyota SR5 Xtra Cab 4-wheel drive is a rare and highly respected classic known for extreme longevity. Despite high mileage, the engine and transmission were professionally rebuilt, and the clutch was recently replaced. The truck remains rust-free, mechanically strong, and fully functional, including ice-cold air conditioning. Well-maintained Toyota trucks from this era are legendary for reliability, making this a premium collector-grade example.